Hi there. In one of my earlier videos, I explained how to use braces expansion in Z shell and bash to use it as a helper in for loop. Basically, you can use brace expansion to expand to numbers or even letters. But this feature is not available in basic shells. If you have a shell that is very rudimentary and very basic, like the shell I have here right now, for example, this shell is based on the good old bone compatible shell. In this case, in Ubuntu, it is nothing but a variant of nash, right? So when you use a shell like this, you may not have the luxury of expanding braces. So you cannot use it in a for loop for counting from 1 to 10. Nor can you use the for loop like in C syntax like this. You can say for double parenthesis, I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. You can see the syntax supported in many shells, but in this one, try this, it throws an error. So how do I write a for loop that can count 10 times or 20 times and so on? Well, you can use an external command called seq for this purpose. Seq also stands for sequence. It's just a shorthand for sequence. So when it says sequence 10, there is seq 10, it counts by default from 1 to 10. If at all I want to count from 10 to 20, I can say seq 10 space 20. Or maybe if I have a step value in between, maybe I want to count from 10 to 50 with a step value of 5, you can actually say seq 10, 5, 50. So you can actually use three kinds of syntax: seq last, seq first, last, seq first, step, and last. This way you can use it to your convenience for counting. And this command's output can be used in a for loop for counting iteration, which will work on almost all bone compatible shells. So if you're writing portable shell scripts, this is a command that you should be aware of. This is part of GNU code utils. So I'm going to show you how you can write a for loop using this. So I can just say in this shell, I can say for in backticks seq 10, 20, close backticks. I could say echo counting $i, close quotes, and done. And it works. So this is something that you keep in mind when you're writing shell scripts that needs to be portable. Hope you found this video useful. Hope to meet you in future short videos like these. Thank you very much.